Hi, I'm Dr. Rachel Haviland, and I'm here with Dr. Jessica Knight-Hairston, founder of Empathic Wellness Consultants. Now, Jessica, I know that you've used essential oils as part of the health program to keep your family healthy. So tell us about how you got started with using essential oils.
Wow. Well, a friend introduced me to essential oils, and then I started doing my own personal research. And what I learned about the essential oils and also click what I already knew from chemistry and herbal medicine. So I was really eager to try them. And one of the things that has really benefited my family is this family essentials kit from doTERRA right here.
So is that a collection of essential oils? Because my first thought when I'm starting out with essential oils is how do I know which one to pick and how do I know what it is that they do? So tell us a little bit more about what's in the kit and why those particular oils are important.
Okay. Well, I can just tell you briefly that this is a kit that contains 10 essential oils, blend. I'm going to hold them up here to the camera, and then I'm going to read them out to you because they're really beautiful. Most popular, lavender, lemon, peppermint, proprietary blend called Breathe, another blend called Deep Blue, melaleuca, which many people know as tea tree oil, and frankincense, oregano, a blend called Digestion, and a blend called On Guard. Now, I can't go into detail about all of these, but I will tell you that one great way to learn about these oils is through webinars. And I did one myself called Oil Camp. And I would like to offer the opportunity to anyone who gets this package that they can also do the Oil Camp. Oil Camp explains how to use each one of these oils aromatically, topically, and internally, Rachel.
Yeah, and I think that's really important because it's one thing to get the pack in the mail, but then it's another thing to know what they can do with it. So how can they find out more about Health Camp and how can they participate?
Alrighty, Oil Camp is a free camp on Facebook. It runs each month, and it's held online, and it's free. With the purchase of the oils, you need this kit to get started. That's been the most common question I get from people. It's like, well, how do you use the oils? And that could be many conversations. And so I just say, okay, here, go to Oil Camp. You know, it takes about 10, 15 minutes a day, and each day you learn about a different oil. And so after 10 days, you will have a very solid foundation in how to use each of these oils. So click on the link below, go to shop, order your Family Essentials Kit, and then from there, leave us a message on Messenger or in the comment section saying you would like the link to Oil Camp, and I will send that over to you.
That's great. So I guess we'll see you in Oil Camp.
Yes. Thank you.